In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend Mailchimp campaigns in just 5 minutes. Whether you need to tweak an email before resending it, correct a mistake, or simply reach a broader audience, I'm here to guide you through each step to make sure your campaign is a success. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your browser, head over to Mailchimp's website, and log into your account. This is your starting point where all your campaigns and tools reside. Once you're in, navigate to the campaign section. This is where you can view all your past and present email campaigns. Now it's time to locate the specific campaign you wish to resend. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on the More drop-down arrow next to your chosen campaign. Select Replicate from the drop-down menu that appears. What this does is it essentially creates a copy of your original campaign, allowing you to make any necessary changes without starting from scratch. With your campaign now replicated, the first thing to do is to give it a new name. This step is crucial in helping you keep track of multiple campaigns, preventing any confusion, especially when managing a large number of emails. Think of it as a fresh start, but keeping the essence of the original email intact. Next, you have the option to select a different segment as your audience. Maybe you want to target a new group or focus on subscribers who didn't open your last email. Mailchimp allows you to customize your audience segment. This flexibility means you can tailor your message to those who will find it most relevant, potentially increasing engagement. Now take a moment to revisit the content of your email if necessary. Adjusting the subject line and the body of the email can make a significant difference. A more captivating subject line might draw more attention, while revising the email content could address information that was previously unclear or incorrect. Remember, the more precise and engaging your content is, the better your chances of capturing the audience's interest. Finally, once you are satisfied with your adjustments, it's time to decide whether to send the email immediately or schedule it for a later date. If your audience is spread across different time zones, scheduling might be your best option to ensure maximum open rates. When you're ready, either hit the send button to dispatch your email immediately or click schedule to choose a future date and time for your email to go out. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully resent your Mailchimp campaign. Remember, the key to effective email marketing is customization and timing. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next video.